Is your Dodge Charger key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. First, locate the keyring slot or seam on the back of the fob. Gently pry open the case with your tool, being careful not to damage the circuitry. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it still doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it via the vehicle's ignition, but battery replacement usually resolves the issue. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Consider replacing the battery annually for high-mileage vehicles, especially in colder climates where battery life is shorter. Be sure to dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly by recycling it. Also, be sure to purchase a quality CR2032 battery, as cheap batteries can leak and damage the key fob internals. Finally, be aware that the trend is shifting away from physical key fobs. Newer charger models are starting to use smartphone apps, and future models may eliminate disposable batteries altogether in favor of rechargeable or kinetic power sources. Replacing your key fob battery is still a common need, but it may not be for long.